That song was brought to you by Tamanu Skin Aid, the multi-purpose aid that helps prevent formation of scars. Iwasang magkapeklat. Tamanu Skin Aid ang katapat. And Watson's Generics. Switch to Watson's Generics and save up to 80%. And Sherry Fur para tangkad sagad. Hi, it's 2:57. That time check was brought to you by Fujidenso Home and Commercial Appliances, where you get reliable, durable, and energy-saving features in all our products. So choose wisely. Choose Fujidenso. Fujidenso, quality above all. And Tiendecitas, Pinoy's best for everyday living. And Sinon, explore, excite, experience. Sinon.
Mga misis, goodbye na sa dumit bansa dahil narito na ang Pride Bareta with Stay Away Formula. Maputi ang labada at ang bango-bango pa. Pride Bareta with Stay Away Formula.
Pride Bareta with Stay Away Formula. Kaya ang dumit bansa sila'y magpapaalam na.
Pride Detergent Bar, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation.
Lorna Tolentino po.
Edu Gonzalo here. Switch to Watson's Generics and save 80% sa diabetes meds.
85% sa vitamin B.
So Watson's, Asia's #1 pharmacy retail brand based on Camping Asia Pacific Survey 2013.
Switch na!
Watson's Generic Medicine versus branded medicine. What's the difference? Watson's has high quality standards. Not to mention they cost up to 80% less. I'm Sébastien Pivet, Watson's Quality Assurance Director. Switch to Watson's Generics and save.
Switch to Watson's Generics and save up to 80%.
Sa totoong buhay, hindi mo talaga alam kung kailan ka magkakasakit. Ako nga in my 40s, hindi ko akalain I would need heart surgery. Buti na lang I had a Film Life plan. Laking tulong sa gastos na di-cover ng HMO.
Introducing Film Life Health Invest, a health and life insurance plan that takes care of you in sickness and in health. We understand real life. We'll help you plan for it. Anong plano mo? Usap tayo. Call 528-2000, visit filmlife.com, or talk to your Film Life financial advisor about Health Invest now.
Are you all ready for him? John Legend comes to Manila for the All of Me Tour. Intimate, acoustic, stripped down. On September 26th, Friday, 8 p.m. at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Get your tickets now at ticketnet.com.ph or call 911-5555. John Legend, the All of Me Tour is brought to you by Wilbros Live in cooperation with Zero In Concept and Production and Boardworks Media. Also brought to you by 96.3 Easy Rock. Come and see what makes him a legend.
The Cultural Center of the Philippines Complex Employees Organization, in partnership with 4.0 Events Management, invites you to Fuse Zumba 2-hour dance marathon to be led by 35 Zumba instructors Jay Aviles, Danao, Darius Casi, Marinelli Calve, and other active ZIN members all over Luzon, with celebrity guests, dancers Regine Tolentino, Joshua Zamora, and Ray Ann of G-Force. September 26, 6 p.m. at the CCP Folk Arts Theater, or CCP 832-3706. Supported by CCP Day by Day Christian Ministries, Livers World International, MBC, Star City, Freshman, Mega Fiber, and Fair Brand Adult Plus.
Bago sumapit ang Pasko, mag-Star City muna tayo!
Bago mo salubungin ang Pasko, mag-Star City muna tayo! At ang pagsalubong uumpisahan sa September 8. Come on, starting September 8. Come on, pala. Basta, Monday hanggang Sunday, Monday hanggang Sunday, Monday hanggang Sunday na ang Star City. Kaya buong family, mga ka-FB, barkada, kaklase, kaopisina, kahit kagalit mo ba, Star City na! Feeling na talaga, talagang talaga!
Bago sumapit ang Pasko, mag-Star City muna tayo!
Star City, more rides, more fun!
Mga misis, para sa dishwashing na tanggal ang sebo, pati
Smart dishwashing ang bagay sa'yo for only 21 pesos per 200-gram pack. Smart dishwashing. Ang galing-galing.
Ay, after the cooking and the eating, time na for dishwashing of the pinaglutuang masibong-masibo ang pinagkainang maaalang mabakterya.
Ang litis na smart like you, Smart Dishwashing, ang bagay na bagay sa iyo. May double tanggaling formula, tanggal galing ang sebo, tanggal galing ang bakterya, sa presyong kay gaan-gaan pa.
Thank you.
Smart Dishwashing, ang galing-galing. Only 21 pesos per 200-gram pack. Suggested retail price.
Smart Dishwashing Paste. Manufactured by ECS Manufacturing Corporation.
Ako po si Clarence. Ako po si Raisa. Magluto ng sinigang at tikman ang aking kilig with Nor Sinigang.
Pakinggan ang latest Nor Sinigang Asin Kilig singles with Raisa and Clarence.
Ang mga kulay na magkabrad, nagsasanib puwersa para mabuo ang lahat. Sipong may tagakanta, higit tagara. Sanib puwersa tayo, brad. Ang sakin mo, sanib puwersa higit kanila para sa mga alahalang babalik-balikan. Yan ang nabibigay ng bagong Colt 45. Sanib puwersa tayo. Sanib puwersa tayo.
Lumalabas ang tunay na kapatiran pag nagsanib na ng puwersa. Ako po si Raymond Marasigan. Ako naman si Abra. Nagsanib puwersa sa bagong Colt 45.
Drink responsibly.